Should I buy a distinctive property? Many people are attracted to the idea of owning a unique home, even if it means deviating from standard house designs. While some prefer cozy homes or luxury homes, others seek out unusually shaped or unconventional houses. However, the popularity of standard house designs cannot be denied, as they can be customized to meet the needs of many people and highlight desirable features. Living in a unique home may sound appealing in theory, but it also requires commitment. Before embarking on the journey of building a replica hobbit house or any other type of unique home, it's important to consider some key factors. In addition to repairs, owning a unique property also entails renovation costs. For instance, if your dining room has intricate wooden built-in benches that require restoration or alteration, finding a skilled carpenter to handle the job may be challenging and costly. Additionally, what you want now may not work for you in the future, when starting a family, for example. Buying a unique house is like getting a tattoo, a long-term commitment. So, if you know your circumstances will change in the next 5 to 10 years, think carefully before choosing to live in a distinctive property. Want to know more? Let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.